Ready? क्या बोलना था और मैंने? You put the odomas and come.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 क्या बोलूं?
Introduce yourself. You should look into camera first and you should stand straight.
Anything else?
हुआ लॉक हुआ येलो आया क्या? ऑफ कर. 16:9 है ना? So we finished exploring this place which is called Box Street, and I definitely recommend this place for a 1 or 2 times, not more than that, because after 6:37 it just start getting, you know, mosquitoes around. Hello guys, so we are back with yet another vlog, and today we are going to most happening place which is called Box Street in Vasai East, and he's my friend, old
Hi,
friend. So we both have decided to explore the place. It's a very happening place, so let me take you through. I'll see you at the Box Street. So this is the place I'm talking about, which is Box Street, Vasai. It is just 4 kilometers from Vasai station. So it has all the containers and they have all the, it's kind of a food court, open food court. So let's go inside. So this is the place. Today is Sunday, so it is quite crowdy, but not that crowdy. So you see all the containers and they have converted into, you know, eateries. So yeah, it's a good place. If you're staying in Vasai Virar, then this is the place you need to explore. So here you can also explore the sunset. So this is the place. It's a very small place though. So it's building up slowly. Also have turf over here, so you guys can book the turf and play. So the sun is almost going down, so you can spot the good sunset, not a beautiful one, but a good sunset can be spotted from here. The crowd is very okayish. Yeah, I mean you get the mixed crowd over here, but still it's fine. Universe. This is my favorite song from BTS and Coldplay. So around like evening it gets like, you know, it lights up, the place becomes very beautiful and people come here for making reels, you know, to dance practice and everything. So yeah, see, look at the way she's dancing. So they have made it like this, so on you can go upstairs and you can get the view 360 degree. So like this we can just go up, and you know, every restaurant has this upstairs area. So on coming on top floor of the restaurant you can have the view. So that side there's a turf. So we have ordered some coffee milkshake and we are not sure about the taste. It's just that we are exploring the place. So we are sitting in Bistro Box. There are like many places. You can choose any place from this. And yeah, so mostly you will get like, you know, quick bites over here, like a pizza, pasta, milkshake and all that stuff. So let's see, I've ordered coffee milkshake. So I'll let you know how it is. It is for 90 rupees, so it's pretty cheap. So we decided to sit at Bistro Box and we have ordered these fries, which is normal fries and ketchup with that. This is mojito, which is like, I didn't like it, too sweet. I mean, so much of syrup they have put. Even the coffee milkshake is not that good. So I would be rating these two drinks for like just 3 out of 5. I didn't like it. Price is reasonable though, but yeah, not that good. So this is the gym which is inside Box Street. It's almost 6:30. It has become dark. The weekends should be avoided to come over here. It is lot of crowd. Though the place gets light up in the evening, but lot of crowd. So basically it's newly set up, it's getting opening up. I mean, there are few restaurants and cafes, like hardly there would be 10 and 12 collectively. So there are few more opening up. So this is how it looks in the night. So people just rehearse here and they make the reels and they dance. Lot of crowd on Sundays. So you'll find a lot of young crowd basically. So you also have a parking space over here. You can park your 4-wheelers and 2-wheelers as well. So this is for 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers is there. We finished exploring this place called Box Street at Vasai, and it's a good place. It's a casual hangout place. Likewise, you go to malls, you get the same crowd and the same feeling over here, but it's just an open food court type, so you can definitely enjoy with your friends. Other than that, you can also explore the very good sunset from this place, and after 6:37 it just starts getting, you know, mosquitoes around, so you have to make sure and you have to take necessary precautions for the same. And if I would like to rate this place, then out of 5 I will give like 3 or 4, because it serves the decent and affordable food at the same time. Basically you can come here from around 5 o'clock, so for a 1.5 hour you can just explore the place and you can leave. Other than that, it just have the eateries and that's it, and nothing else. For the COVID thing, it's an open place, so there are less chances of getting infected because it's not a closed place, so that is there. And yeah, for a casual hangout, it's a very good place. I mean, definitely if you are in Vasai Virar, residing at Vasai Virar, then you should definitely come here and check out the place. So yeah, it's a pretty cool place. So thank you, and if you like this vlog, then please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, stay safe and take care. वेट चालू रहने दे, मैं भूल गई हूँ. Okay, come putting order. What is that? Order. Okay, so you have to apply. You. Shit यार, बहुत distract हो रहा है. ये दिख रहा है मेरा flower या उल्टा दिख रहा है? मेरा flower दिख रहा है. How it's looking? It's looking pretty. Okay, cut. If HR asks you the question, then what do you do?
वो टाइम में अलग होता है. I know how to present myself like that.
बहुत हिल रहा है यार.